Street Scene Equipment is known as an industry leader in styling products for your car, truck, or SUV. With how hot the Focus ST is, we knew it was only a matter of time before they came with some nice ways to customize your late model Focus. Today we're going to show you how to install their chin spoiler and their side splitter kit using this beautiful Performance Blue 2013 ST. The Street Scene Equipment chin splitter and side splitter is going to come in a raw white fiberglass finish ready to be prepped and painted. The owner of this car has gloss black wheels and wanted to paint the pieces to match ahead of time. They're going to install using mostly factory hardware with the addition of 2 struts to hold up your front chin spoiler. For this installation, you need a small pick, Phillips head screwdriver, scissors, 3/8 wrench, drill, 3/32 drill bit, tape measure, and a marker. Since we'll be using some double stick tape on the side skirts, you want to make sure you clean this area off properly or it won't adhere. Begin the install by removing these 6 factory clips. We're going to replace these with new hardware for our splitters. The Street Scene splitters are going to line up with your factory holes, designed to use the factory style hardware. The problem is these aren't quite long enough to hold it in place. What we recommend doing, pull the center piece of this out, go to your local hardware store, auto parts store, and get these 1-inch Christmas tree clips. Use those, they're longer and they'll hold it in place. Now you install the double stick tape they provide. Pull back just a little bit of edge that leans out like this. That way when you clip it in place, then you can pull the tape off and push it up and use the tape. We're going to apply some of the promoter now. It's included in the kit. This will allow the tape to stick better. You basically want to put it right where the tape's going to go. Now we're going to install the factory retainer first, then put the new splitters in place, and then use our Christmas tree clips to hold them on. Now we'll put it up into place here. It's not a bad idea if you have someone give you a hand just to hold it on and get it lined up. Make sure the edges of the tape are visible, and we'll install the clips. Now we can pull off our tape pieces here, push it up and stick it on. Now you want to repeat the process with the passenger side, and we can move on to the chin splitter. Just like with the side splitters, we're going to start the front splitter install by removing the 6 factory clips right here. Again, because of the size of the splitter, having an extra pair of hands will make this job a lot easier. You're going to start with the ends, then work your way towards the middle. Now we can remove the double stick tape. The last step is to install the struts. There really is no fixed location for these. You can kind of put them wherever you want to. We're going to put them halfway between the license plate bracket and the edge here. This measures right about 9 inches. So we're going to go 4.5, go right in the middle there. Street Scene provides self-tapping screws for the installation. For the bumper, they'll probably be fine. For the fiberglass though, we do suggest drilling a pilot hole. In our case, we're just going to drill 4 pilot holes for the installation. We're going to install the top screws first, then we'll double check our bottom hole location. You want to make sure you get it nice and straight right where you want it. Now we'll just mark the back hole since you're not going to be able to drill it with the piece here, and make sure you got it right where you want it. I'm going to back these off and then turn this so you feel it bringing the spoiler up tight. Don't want to pull up on the lip too much. Once the spoiler hits the bumper and you feel the lip starting to get pressure, turn it off just a little bit, and with just a little bit of play there, and put the lock nuts in place. Then we'll repeat the process with the other strut, and your installation is finished.